Hi friends, let me show you these new Bosmiller office leather chairs that I received for reviewing purposes. We are going to upgrade this meeting room. I'm going to show you. First, let me tell you how you will find your chair packed. It is a leather chair, really nice. This is the back of the chair. As you can see, black leather finish, really nice. It has pre-drilled the holes to assemble it. These are the armrests, also leather finish. Okay, this is the left side. As you can see, everything comes nicely packed, so they won't scratch or be harmed in the in the travel. This is the right side, okay, handle. As you can see, they move, so you can change the height of the armrest. This is the seat of the chair, also nice black leather finish. Okay, pre-drill the holes to install the other parts. Protection for your chair. This is the center of the arms that hold the wheels. Here you have the gas lift. It will allow you to have different heights for the whole chair. These are the wheels, as you can see. Nice black wheels. 5 wheels, each for one for each leg base, and these are the wheel bases that go to the base star. Okay, so you screw one here. They have 2 screws, so it's going to be really tight and secure, and the wheels go here. Okay, 5 of them. This is the seat plate that will hold the seat and will connect it to the base star with the gas lift like this, and this will allow you to raise the chair and this is the tightening, so it won't flip a lot. Okay, you get all the accessories, all the caps and the nuts, and even you get this screwdriver, so you don't need any extra accessories or tools to put it together. Finally, of course, you get the instruction manual. You can see how to put it together, and then of course how to use it and take care of it. So these are the Bosmiller executive black leather office chairs. We got 10 of them. We're going to put them together in this meeting room, and you will see how beautiful it looks, the change that it gives to the meeting room, and how nicely organized it will be. Let's do it. Friends, now we are ready, as you can see, with these 10 Bosmiller office chairs, black leather office chairs. My meeting room looks great. You can see the size, you can see how elegant they look. Remember that you can change the height of the chair. You can move the armrest like that, bring them back, or change it back down. So they are great chairs, really comfortable. If you want them to move more or less, they have this tension adjustment here. If you loosen it, the chair will move more like that, rock more like that. If you tighten it, it won't move that much. So you can adjust all of that. Really nice chairs, nice equipment, and look how beautiful my meeting table, my meeting room looks. If you want to change or upgrade your office, your desk, your meeting rooms, these chairs are a great option. Thank you. If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.